how to fix Roblox error code 267. Here's what you have to do. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, sign into your account, click on the gear icon, and then navigate into help and safety. Here you will see violations and appeals. Click on that option, and if you were kicked or banned from an experience here, a specific experience, you can appeal the kick or ban from this section. If that's not the issue, then what you have to do is open up your computer, search for Roblox player, right click on it, open file location. Here you want to find the Roblox player, right click again, show more options, and go into properties. Open up the compatibility tab and check these three options. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click on OK. If that doesn't work, you can also run the compatibility troubleshooter, and that should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.